Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update token storage and rotation in mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To update token storage and rotation in your mobile app, start by reviewing your current authentication flow. Identify how tokens are currently being stored, whether in memory, local storage, or a secure storage solution. Determine the token lifespan and rotation policies you want to implement. Next, decide on the appropriate secure storage method for your tokens. For iOS, consider using the keychain to store sensitive information securely. For Android, utilize the encrypted shared preferences or the Android key store system. Once you've chosen your storage method, modify your code to implement secure token storage. Begin by integrating the necessary libraries or frameworks for secure storage. Next, update your authentication logic to save the access token and refresh token in your chosen secure storage solution. Implement the logic that checks for the token's validity before making API calls. If the token is expired, trigger the refresh token flow. Create a function that handles the process of obtaining a new access token using the refresh token. Make sure to update your secure storage with the new access token. It's important to handle errors that may occur during the token refresh process gracefully. Next, establish a strategy for deleting expired tokens from your storage. Consider implementing token rotation to enhance security. When performing token rotation, invalidate the old token and issue a new one before the old token expires. Add appropriate logging to monitor token generation, storage, and retrieval. Conduct thorough testing to ensure the new token storage and rotation logic functions correctly. Validate that tokens are stored securely and retrieved as expected during the app's lifecycle. Finally, review your app's performance to confirm that the new authentication flow does not introduce significant delays. By following this guide, you will enhance the security and reliability of your mobile app's authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.